In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the all-new Sudio Fem Wireless Earbuds. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Adam Ivy back with another product review video. Now, I know it's been a minute since I've actually done a product review video here on my channel, but my good friends over at Sudio asked if I wanted to check out their brand new model of wireless earbuds. So, in the famous words of Stone Cold Steve Austin, I had to reply with, "Oh, hell yeah!" Now, if you've been following my content over the years, you know that I've reviewed Sudio products in the past, and I've really genuinely enjoyed them. In fact, I recently gifted my own mother a pair of Sudio headphones to replace the one she had been using that unfortunately just decided to stop working one day. Now, I'm not going to name that brand in this video, but they weren't Sudios, so we had to change that. Anyway, Sudio just announced the release of their newest wireless earbuds, the Fem series. Fem being a Swedish word because it's a Swedish company for the number 5. Now, I received these a few weeks ago, but I wanted to really make sure that I had time to test them out and make sure that my initial impressions matched how I felt about them as the days passed. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Now, after being roasted in previous reviews, I'm going to answer the million-dollar question first, and that's audio quality. After that, I'm going to actually work backwards and get to the unboxing and get to the features and whatnot. Now, as a music producer, it can be a little bit harder to explain how these sound without sounding like an audio nerd or without you guys being able to technically hear them through the screen. Now, to give you an off-the-hip reaction, these things are the real deal. The bass response is incredible for being such a self-contained wireless earbud, and the thing I love is that they don't try to crank up the high-end frequencies, which a lot of people do, a lot of companies do, which can absolutely ruin the listening experience and prematurely fatigue the ear. Now, the listening experience in these is crisp, clear, full-bodied, and when taking calls from callers. When taking calls, it's crystal clear and smooth to listen to with no abrasive qualities. The bass hits, absolutely. The highs and mids are present without sounding tinny. Now, I've used Jaybirds and AirPods in the past. I still have them. I'm not going to lie about that, but these just sound better. Okay, so this is what they look like all boxed up, and when we open the packaging, we find a nicely displayed self-containing power pack, along with obviously the charging cable, user manual, warranty card, and 4 additional rubber ear tips for different sized ears. Now, as you can see, Sudio was kind enough to send me 2 pair, one white, one black, and for the review on camera, I'll be obviously showing the white version since they're easier to see on camera, but the black version is super clean as well. Now, I love that Sudio decided to use a USB-C connection on this. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. Boom! 15 minutes of charging gives us about an hour of listening time. So if you ask me, that's pretty good. Now, the carrying case feels great in the hand. It's a soft touch without feeling rubbery or gummy, anything like that. Sudio always has such an incredible eye for detail. The quality is great. The feel is great. As you can see, my fingers aren't sticking to this. However, it does have that soft, luxurious feel. Now, a leather tether strap here, so you can tie it to a belt, you can tie it to a backpack, you can take it with you, you can put it on a fanny pack, whatever your imagination leads you to do with it, or you can just pull it out. Now, if you have OCD and you love symmetry, you love high quality, you love feeling things and kind of the clicks and clacks of a higher quality electronic, this thing opens very easily. The earbuds are self-contained. Let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. I have a slight case of OCD and I enjoy the hell out of these. Now, as I just showed you, the carrying case actually doubles as the charging station. Let me show you the little indicator. 1 full charge of the case gives you 2 additional full charges on top of the full charge to begin with. So I think that's pretty dope. Now, the overall listening time from 1 full charge in the case itself is up to 20 hours, but that's all dependent on how loud you're listening to the music. At full volume, these things still last, I'd say, from 4 to 6 hours, and that's what I've experienced myself in the gym. Now, if you listen to it a little bit louder all the time on average, I should say, or if you listen to it a little bit quieter, if you're just taking a walk, or if you're somebody that has sensitive ears, then these things are going to last a whole lot longer. But from what I've experienced over the last 10 to 14 days, 4 to 6 hours, you're not going to have to recharge these every other day, depending on how long you're in the gym, I guess, or what you're doing. I absolutely love how fast they charge, and this thing does charge them about 2.5 times, even though Sudio says just twice, but just that's real life experience for me. Now, the form factor of these is super sleek. Let's see if I can get this to zoom in. Come on. There you go. And they're ridiculously comfortable to put in the ears, guys, just like this. just like that. They feature a little polished nub on the exterior, which is actually one of the mics for taking calls. They have 4 built-in mics in total, which aid in noise cancellation and clarity when on a call. Now the Sudio Fem also features auto pairing, so you can just pop one in, you can pop both of them in, they're gonna sync without any additional steps to take. Now it might not look like it, but they also have a touch feature on each side for controlling your music apps, overall volume, as well as accepting or declining calls, and those features work really well. Now side note, in case you were wondering, I've been using these with Spotify, and I've been doing a ton of stuff without having to have my phone in my pocket. It's just gonna save you a lot of time, and it's very, very convenient. Something that I didn't think I really needed until I started using it. So what's the verdict? Well, I definitely would feel confident in recommending picking up a pair of Sudio Fems if you're in the market for some high quality wireless earbuds that you can trust to perform beyond expectation. Now, if you'd like to learn more about all the technical specifications, I'll have a link in the description box where you can get even more information from Sudio directly. Now, as of shooting this video, the Sudio Fem wireless earbuds are currently selling for $139, which in my opinion is a really good price compared to some of the stuff that's on the market right now. Now, I'm not an affiliate for Sudio, but they did give me a discount code after asking them politely. You guys can get 15% off your entire order just by using ADAMIVY at checkout. ADAMIVY, all one word. At checkout, 15% off, whether you buy 1 or 20 pairs of these things. Also, in the next 60 days, I'm going to be giving away a brand new, unopened pair of Sudio Fems to one of you guys. Now, all you have to do to be eligible for the giveaway is to leave a comment underneath this video and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. That's really it. And then I'm going to reach out to the lucky winner after 60 days. So make sure that you are on the lookout for the comment reply, because you might get one of these. I promise they're not gonna be the ones I just put in my ear. You know, I don't do a whole lot of product reviews here on my channel anymore, but when I do, it's because it's a product or a company or a service that I genuinely believe in. And this is a product that I believe in. Sudio is a company that I believe in. Now, regardless of what model you buy, I mean, they sent me these, but you're gonna get a high quality product that sounds amazing regardless of what you get for them. Again, ADAMIVY at checkout to get 15% off, and disclaimer, I am not an affiliate. You buying these give me no money. I make no money off of the sales. Now, you're going to get some kick-ass earbuds. If you trust Sudio, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you've experienced their products, if you're going to go check them out. And until next time, I appreciate you watching.